In this video, you'll learn how to create a carousel on Webflow in just a few minutes, so you can showcase multiple images, testimonials, or products in a beautiful, interactive slider. First, go to webflow.com and sign in to your account. Open the project where you want to add your carousel, then head to the designer and navigate to the page where the slider should appear on your website. Next, open the Add Elements panel on the left side of the editor. Scroll to the Components category and drag the slider element onto your canvas. Webflow will instantly create a ready-to-use carousel with default slides and navigation arrows. Now, customize each slide with your own content. Click on any slide to add images, text, buttons, or even videos. You can add as many slides as you want using the plus icon inside the slider settings panel. After that, style your carousel to match your website. Adjust the size, spacing, and arrow design using the right side panel. You can also customize the navigation dots, change colors, and add smooth transition effects between slides. Once your design is ready, open the slider settings and enable autoplay if you want the carousel to move automatically. Set the timing, transition style, and easing to create a smooth, professional-looking experience for your visitors. And that's it. Your carousel is now live on Webflow, beautifully designed and ready to make your website more engaging than ever.